Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to hide your Instagram stories using your PC. This new update gives you greater control over who sees your stories, allowing for a more personalized sharing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to Instagram.com. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your feed, surrounded by posts from friends and accounts you follow. Next, look at the left side menu. You'll see several options here, including your profile. Click on More, which will expand additional options for your account. After you click More, you'll see a list of choices. Find Settings and click on it. This will take you into the Settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the section labeled Hide Story and Live. This option allows you to manage who can see your stories and live broadcasts. Click on this to access the hiding settings. In the Hide Story and Live settings, you'll see a list of your followers. Here, you can select specific people from whom you want to hide your stories. Simply check the box next to the names of those you wish to exclude from viewing your content. This allows you to maintain your privacy while still sharing your stories with others. After you've made your selections, you don't need to save anything. The changes are automatically applied. You can now exit the settings menu and continue browsing Instagram, knowing you have complete control over who sees your stories. Hiding your stories can be a great way to keep certain moments private or to share content only with specific friends or followers. If you ever want to change your settings, you can return to these options anytime to adjust who has access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide your Instagram stories using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more tailored Instagram experience.